Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, we will explain about transfer pricing. We are from Group 5, me, Nabila Tazkira Madita, and my partners Miftahul Jannah and Rahma Ekwatrin Prahastuti. Transfer pricing. A transfer price is the price one subunit charges for a product or service supplied to another subunit of the same organization. There are three methods. The first, market-based transfer prices. The second, negotiated transfer prices. And the last, cost-based transfer prices. In this video, we will explain about cost-based transfer prices. Cost-based transfer prices. The cost plus a profit basis is used if competitive prices are not available. Two decisions must be made in a cost-based transfer price system. The first, how to define cost, and the second, how to calculate the profit markup. The cost basis. The usual basis is standard cost, not the actual cost. If actual costs are used, the production inefficiency will be passed on to the buying profit centers. And if standard costs are used, an incentive is needed to set tax standards and improve standards. The profit markup. In calculating the profit markup, there are also two decisions. The first, what the profit markup is based on, and the second, the level of profit allowed. What the profit markup is based on, the simplest and most widely used base is percentage of cost. If this base is used, however, no account is taken of capital required. A conceptually better base is a percentage of investment, but calculating the investment applicable to a given product may pose a major practical problem. And the second problem with the profit allowance is the amount of profit. Senior management's perception of the financial performance of a profit center will be affected by the profit is charged. Consequently, to the extent possible, the profit allowance should approximate the rate of return that will be earned if the business unit were an independent company selling to such customers. The conceptual solution is to base the profit allowance on the investment required to meet the volume needed by the buying profit centers. The investment will be calculated at standard level, with fixed assets and inventories at current replacement cost. And then, the next presentation will be explained by Rahma.
Okay, for the next, I will explain. Companies use the transfer pricing method based on the cost incurred by the sales division in producing goods or services. This method of transfer pricing is relatively easy to implement but has several drawbacks. First, the use of cost as transfer prices can lead to be a bad decision. If the selling unit is unable to produce optimally, resulting in higher costs than the market price, there can be a tendency to buy goods from outside. Second, if costs are used as transfer prices, the sales division will never generate a profit from any internal transactions. Third, cost-based transfer pricing means that there are no incentives for the person in charge of controlling costs. Hansen and Moen state that in general, companies set transfer prices based on variable costs and or fixed costs in the form of full cost plus markup, and a combination of variable costs and fixed costs. The next material will be explained by Miftah.
Okay, and now I will tell about the example of calculation transfer pricing based cost method. The question is, PT Ayomakan have some division. Two of them are oil division and noodle division. Noodle division needs oil to produce instant noodle. Oil division plans to produce bean oil by 1000 kg capacity, and the following costs are: the first, direct raw material 5 million rupiah, direct labor 10 million rupiah, factory overhead 3 million rupiah, fixed administration cost 1 million rupiah, fixed marketing cost 4 million rupiah, variable administration cost 2 million rupiah, and variable marketing cost 3 million rupiah. Assume that the total asset that been budgeted to produce the oil 3 million rupiah. By return of investment 20% and the investment is 100 million rupiah. Okay, and the question is determine the transfer pricing base cost method. Answer of base cost transfer pricing by full costing, the first we must calculate of the markup, that is by the sum of marketing cost plus administration cost, and we get the cost of non-production 10 million rupiah. After that we must calculate the expected profit by 20%, that is the return of investment multiplied by the investment 100 million, and the result is 20 million, and the total is 30 million rupiah. It is from the sum of 10 million rupiah plus 20 million rupiah, and then we calculate the cost of production. It is the sum of direct raw material 5 million rupiah, direct labor 10 million rupiah, factory overhead 3 million rupiah, and 167% it is come from 30 million rupiah divided by 18 million rupiah, and it transfer 2%. After we calculate the markup, we calculate of the transfer pricing. The formula is cost production plus the markup. The first we multiplied 167% multiplied by 18 million, and the result first 18 million rupiah, and we get the score 47,080 per kilogram. We continue to the answer of base cost transfer pricing by variable costing. The first we must calculate the markup, that is the total of fixed cost. Fixed production cost 15 million, fixed administration cost 1 million, fixed marketing cost 4 million, and the total of fixed cost is 20 million. And then we'll calculate the expected profit. 20% multiplied by the investment, that is 100 million, and the result is 20 million. And then the total is 40 million, that is from 20 million plus 20 million. And then we calculate the variable cost, that is all of variable cost in this case, and the total is 8 million. 500 that is coming from 500% it is coming from 40 million divided by 8 million, and the result transfer 2%. After that we can calculate the transfer pricing by variable cost plus markup. The first we 500% multiplied by 8 million, and the result plus 8 million, and we get the score is 48,000 per kilogram. I think that's all from our group. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.